What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage, and today I got a very interesting situation going on to share with you guys. You know, when they say to you you got an electrical short or you got an electrical wiring issue with your car, yeah, you should probably take care of that. Wonder what I mean? So, for what I understand, this Chevy over here is actually the source of the problem. So the fire started inside the Chevy, and as you can see, it took out 1, 2, 3, and there's a fourth one up there. So yeah, guys, this is a pretty big issue. I don't know what the story is yet. I mean, if I find out, I'll leave it down in the comments below. But you don't need me to tell you that there's 5 total cars here. These cars are now just basically gone. I mean, wow, look at that. It looks like the suspension has collapsed on this Chevy. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see what the fire department actually finds that caused that car to catch on fire, and obviously take out these other cars. It's amazing what it did, huh? I mean, look at this Sienna. This is pretty wild. You do not want to be caught in a situation like this. I mean, it's very clear that these things are done. I mean, just look at it. This is nasty. I mean, the smell is just horrendous. You'll never get rid of this smell. I mean, it's this is pretty bad. So yeah, Chevy Traverse. Not really sure what the problem is, but I hope they source it out, because I wouldn't want this happening to anybody else. So there you have it, guys. Electric issues, big problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.